Welcome back to our channel, where we provide practical advice on how to make smart financial decisions. In today's video, we'll share 10 practical ways to invest money online. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, these strategies will help you grow your wealth. Let's get started. Number 1. Stock market investing. One of the most popular ways to invest online is through the stock market. Research companies analyze their financials and invest in stocks that align with your investment goals. Platforms like eToro, TD Ameritrade, or Robinhood make it easy to buy and sell stocks online. Number 2. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs. ETFs offer a diversified investment option that can track a particular market index, sector, or asset class. They allow you to invest in a portfolio of stocks or other assets with a single trade. Platforms like Vanguard, BlackRock, or Charles Schwab offer a wide range of ETF options. Number 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms enable you to lend money directly to individuals or small businesses. You earn interest on your loan, which can provide a steady stream of passive income. Platforms like Lending Club, Prosper, or Funding Circle facilitate these lending transactions. Number 4. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding allows you to invest in properties alongside other investors, even with small amounts of money. Platforms like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, or PeerStreet offer access to various real estate projects, including residential, commercial, or even development opportunities. Number 5. Cryptocurrency investing. Cryptocurrencies have gained significant popularity in recent years. Platforms like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken allow you to buy, sell, and trade digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin. Keep in mind that the cryptocurrency market can be highly volatile, so do your research and invest wisely. Number 6. Robo-advisors. Robo-advisors use algorithms to automate investment decisions based on your risk tolerance and goals. They offer a hands-off approach to investing. Platforms like Betterment, Wealthfront, or Ellevest provide personalized investment portfolios and rebalance them automatically. Number 7. Online business or startup investments. Another way to invest online is by funding online businesses or startups. Platforms like Kickstarter, Indiegogo, or AngelList allow you to support innovative projects and potentially earn returns on your investment if the business succeeds. Number 8. Forex trading. Forex trading involves buying and selling currencies in the foreign exchange market. It can be a high-risk, high-reward investment strategy. Platforms like eToro, IG, or Forex.com offer access to the Forex market and provide tools for trading currency pairs. Number 9. Dividend reinvestment plans, DRIPs. Dividend reinvestment plans allow you to automatically reinvest dividends received from stocks into additional shares. This strategy helps compound your returns over time. Many brokerage firms offer DRIPs as a convenient way to reinvest dividends. Number 10. Online courses and education. Invest in yourself by taking online courses and acquiring new skills. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or LinkedIn Learning offer a wide range of courses that can enhance your knowledge and improve your earning potential in various fields. Thank you for watching today's video. We hope these online investment strategies provide you with new avenues to grow your wealth. Remember, before investing, it's important to do your research, understand the risks involved, and diversify your portfolio. As always, consult with a financial advisor to ensure your investment decisions align with your goals and risk tolerance.